Okay, now you can see this is our CMS software, Signworld, and you can log in our website to download this app, and now use our account to log in it. Okay, you can see now this machine is connecting online, and you can see this is 75-inch, and we can go to the user to set our name, phone, and email, and also go to our organization and see the company ID. You can see now 12415, and we can go to the machine here. Yeah, this is our CMS software, and we can go to the set server. You can see this is the company ID is same with the company ID, this one. Okay, and register. Okay, now register it. So you can see this one machine online. And we go this machine and see the program list, and we can remove it. Okay, so you can see now this machine without any program. Also, we go to the program here to add the program, and also we can go to the material to add the video picture and upload the video. Yeah, we can upload and okay, upload successful. Okay, you can see now this is the new video, and go to the program here to add the program. I just name this one is 75-inch, so we can go to name, and we can customize the 75-inch with the height, with the wire is, and the height is. Okay, you can see now the program adding, and we can add. You can see the image, video, text, website is also okay, and we can add make the split screen like the picture, and we can edit like the higher, like the 1 to 1000. Okay, and the web is okay, and also can add the video. We can move it. We can choose this higher. Okay, and this one. Okay, now this can add higher. Also, you can see this is image setting here. Can add. I choose new 1 or 2 is okay, and this the video. Can add video like this one. Okay, and save, and next one. Okay, so now you can see the program tire here, and go this one you can see the publishing, and choose the next, and connect this machine, the 75-inch, next, publish. Okay, so now you can see the program